Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mission Not So Impossible. This week I'm going to be bringing you some Dollar General deals for Saturday, June 28th. We got a few different deal options. There's not a ton of coupons this week, so you can definitely take a look and see how you can kind of mix and match, make it your own, build your own transaction for your family. And let's go ahead and get into the deals. So the first item we're going to be picking up is one of the finished dishwasher pods. They are $5. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $3. Next, we're going to pick up one of the Persil laundry soaps. They're $5.50. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $3.50. Then we're going to pick up one of the Quilted Northern 8 counts for $9. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $8. And the last item we're going to pick up for this transaction is one of the Gillette or Venus razors for $6. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $3. Your total for all of these items is $25.50 plus tax. Then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon, as well as $8 in manufacturer coupons, leaving you to pay $12.50 plus tax for all 4 items. So for this transaction, you're going to want to pick up one of the Gillette razors for $6. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $3. Next, you're going to pick up one of the CoverGirl eye pencils for $6.50. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $3.50. Then we're going to pick up one of the Sally Hansen nail polish for $4. We have a $1.50 coupon, making it $2.50. Then you're going to want to pick up one of the Venus razors for $6. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $3. The last item we're going to be picking up for this transaction will be one of the Colgates for $3.25. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $1.25. So your total for this transaction before coupons is $25.75 plus tax. Then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon, as well as $12.50 in manufacturer coupons, leaving you to pay $8.25 plus tax for all 5 items. So for this next deal, we have this special store coupon this week. For when you spend $20, you'll save $5 on any P&G grooming products. So we're going to build up our transaction so that that extra $5 will come off. So for this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Venus razors for $7.50. We have a $3 off one coupon, so one of them will be $4.50 and then one of them will still be $7.50 before that store coupon. And then you're going to pick up one of the Gillette razors for $6. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $3. So with all three of these items, we're going to be at $21, which is over the $20 that we need to spend, so that $5 will come off. We're going to go ahead and add one more item to this transaction, so that way we can use it on Saturday for the 5 off of 25. You can definitely add some other items in if you want to get there. You just need to make sure you build up your cart enough that that store coupon will still apply. So I'm going to be adding in one of the Airwick refill packs, the 5 count, for $12. I have a $5 off coupon, making it $7. So your total for this transaction before coupons would be $33 plus tax. So then we have that $5 off spend 20 coming off, leaving us to pay $28. So we're still over the 25. So that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon should apply. So then after that, we have our $11 manufacturer coupons, leaving us to pay $12 plus tax for all 4 items. So this next deal is a spend deal. It's going to be when you spend $25 on Crest, Oral-B, Scope products, you're going to get an $8 store coupon. This is a store coupon as well. So in order for you to be able to stack this with the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon, you've got to be at $30 for this to work. So I'm going to show you some different items you can pick up with manufacturer coupons to save the most money. So the first item you're going to pick up for this would be one of the Oral-B Kids battery toothbrushes. They are $7. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $5. Then you're going to pick up 2 of the Scope mouthwash for $4 each. Your total would be $8. We have a $4 off 2 manufacturer coupon, making it $4 for 2. Next, you're going to pick up 2 of the Crest Kids toothpaste for $2 each. You're going to grab 2 of them, so it'll be $4. We have a $2 off 2 coupon, making it $2 for both. Then you're going to pick up one of the Crest 3D White mouthwash for $9. We have a $4 off coupon, making it $5. The last item you're going to pick up is one of the Crest 3D White toothpaste for $3. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $2. So your total before coupons for all these items would be $31 plus tax. Then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon, as well as $13 in manufacturer coupons coming off. Then you're left to pay $13 out of pocket for 7 items, and then you should get back that $8 in the Dollar General store coupon, making your total only $5 for all 7 items, which is pretty great. So with this deal, I think everybody got different coupons in their account, so you may not have the exact same coupons as I do. So definitely take a look at what you have and see if it's going to be a good enough deal for you to do. You might have to swap out a few different items. If these are not items that you use, you may want to do that anyway. I just thought this was a really good deal, and there are some pretty high value coupons, so it's definitely worth taking a look at. All right, so that's all that I have for you this week. If you could, just leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos I have coming out in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!